Assalamu alaikum and a very warm good morning to you all. I am Ajwa Farid
and my name is Manahil Nadeem. We are the students of grade 2nd.
As you know that this day is celebrated and observed every year having some objectives, such as we have some objectives of arranging this grand event this year as well. This time one of them is of course to make aware and to mobilize the audience to plant trees in this season because it plays a key role in the development of a country.
For this purpose, let's see an activity. We are going to present and to show you the importance of plants and trees, how these are crucial for the survival of humans and how we are going with it and how cutting of plants and trees affect our atmosphere. Respected audience, let's watch and see. Assalamu alaikum teacher.
Walaikum assalam student. How are you?
We are fine teacher. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you. Sit down.
Thank you teacher.
Okay, let's start our lesson. Today I will tell you about the important part of a plant and their function. Dear children, plants have great importance in our life. It gives us air for breathing and food for eating. Just like human body has organs, plant have also different parts. Every part perform it is separate activity. These are root, stem, leaf and flower. Now I would like to call the different parts of a plant one by one to introduce themselves. First, I would like to call the flower.
I am a flower. I add the beauty of plant. I prepare the fruit and seed. I come in different shapes, sizes and color. I also used in different perfumes and medicines. Thank you.
Clapping for leaf.
I am a leaf. I make the food of plant with water, air and light. I am essential for photosynthesis. I absorb light energy from the sun. Thank you.
In the end, I would like to call the most important part the root.
I am a root. I remain inside the soil. I keep the flood holding inside the ground. I absorb water from the ground and take it to the stem. Thank you.
Dear children, plants have many benefits. The wood of tree is used for making house and furniture. Plants also play an important role in changing climate. These make our environment beautiful. Trees produce food to the birds and animals.
Excuse me, teacher.
G.
Can I explain the role of plants in climatic change? Excuse me, teacher. Can I explain the role of plants in climatic change?
Why not? Come here.
Plants are helpful in minimizing the earth temperature, which is increasing due to the activities of human beings. Plants keep the air clean, the weather pleasant, and make the environment beautiful.
Very good, Manahil. But what should we do for this?
For this, we should plant maximum trees, protect the forest from catching fire, take care of trees and plants, not to cut the trees without any reason.
Very good, Manahil. Go back to your seat. Now, I want to discuss the importance of forest. Children, can you tell me what are the people doing in the picture? Are they doing the right thing? If not, why? Ji Alisha.
People are cutting the trees, teacher, and they are not doing the right thing because forests are the place of living animals and birds. We bring wood from forests to make furniture and sports items. Wood is used as fuel for burning. Paper and matches are also made from wood. Forests control soil erosion and protect it from flooding.
Very good, Alisha. Go back to your seat. My dear student, I'm glad to know that you are aware about the importance of plant. Now, I request you to all plant our maximum trees to overcome its deficiency.
Okay, teacher.
Dear audience, I hope you like our activity and you have understand about the importance of plant. So let's start planting trees.